Okay, so today we're gonna do the USACO 2025 February contest bronze. We're doing problem 1 reflection. So first we're gonna write the input, which is N and U. Okay, so N, U, C, N, U. And then we have our vector string picture, which is of size N and 4 int plus, and then C in picture I. So now we have most of our input in. We'll do an update while we do our algorithm. So we have a vector. Shh. 9. So a vector in count, which is of size let's put m is equal to n over 2. This m vector int m, and then for int I is equal to 0, I smaller than n plus plus. Nine.
干什么？
飘。
电风气在这随意了啊！
不要和那个。For int j is equal to 0, j smaller than n, j plus plus. And then int r is equal to the minimum of I n minus 1 minus I. C is equal to minimum j n minus 1 minus j. And then so count R C plus equals picture I j is equal to a hash. And now that we have our count, then so right now we want to find the first answer, which is before we do any of the updates. And the first answer is the number of reflections we need right now. So for an I is equal to I smaller than m I plus plus. For int j is equal to 0, j smaller than m, j plus plus. Here's what int is equal to 0 for now. And plus equals a minimum of count I j 4 minus j, and then yeah, and now we can start inputting the output. So inputting updates. So is equal to u x plus int x in r c in c. Now we have this. We're gonna update. So if count r c is equal to a hash already, then no, this is not right. This is picture. RC is already a hash, then picture RC. It becomes a dot then count and then fun int it's like use m is equal to a minimum of r n minus 1 minus r, and n is equal to minimum c minus n minus 1 minus c. So now count mn minus, and then answer plus equals so before each one we need to count ants minus equals minimum of 4 count and 4 minus and we need to do this to reset it, and count mn minus, and then ends plus equals minimum of and 1 minus and if picture c otherwise just do else picture c is equal to a hash, then count n plus, and then after each one you see let's input. Let's first run this through. Let's run this, see if it works. Okay, so we have that, sadly. Let's check our indexes. Maybe I didn't. It's supposed to be just for safety, just do that. Sure it's not because of that though. Yeah, picture is there, is there, count rc minimum and oh, I don't even know I have this actually. Yeah, let's check for another one. What could possibly go wrong, you know? Did it even come past here? Let me see if I got okay. Right here. So, oh my god, oops. So it got past here. How about here? Because everything before this is okay. Should be here. So when we input this, the input is correct. So that's something I know for sure. We did input the U, as you can see. And then M is minimum of N R. It's the new input. N minus 1 minus R, N minus 1 minus C. So answers my this count M and 4 minus count M code. I already ran through it once, so I didn't go through it more. Picture RC is equal to hash mark picture r c equal to dot count mn minus minus and 4 minus count mn. I think this part is correct. What? What does that mean? Oh, that's why. What if I like low key? It's just so cooked. Let's just like put this as like oh my god, that's so not good. Okay, how about we just put like so like V and W because I really don't have a better variable to put here. V W V V V W V W V W V W. You'll run that again. I just put this as it. There's not a problem anymore. VW. Maybe it's just that one. This one. This is sketchy, bro. Has to be a line that's causing all of this. Oh my god. VW. Why doesn't it even work, bro? Just go like that. Okay. So 4 is coming through. This is correct. I. You input it in V is equal to minimum R n minus 1 minus R n minus 1 minus C. Should be correct. Answer is equal to minimum of count. VW 4 minus count. This one. Okay. If this one is equal to hash into a dot. Because of this? Oh. I know it shouldn't be because of that. Count VW. So when we do this, oh my god. because of this. Don't tell me why it is. Why? Oh, we have to have that right. Picture RC is equal. Oh my god, that's why. I'm being an idiot. Is that why? That's still not why? What? Huh. If it's equal to a hash. What? Why does that? Yeah. This input should be correct. Is there another I in here? Oh my god. R and C are outside, right? And there shouldn't be one outside. Does work here, so. Okay. What if I put one here? Still correct. So the answer is here. Is the answer not declared? The answer subtracts the minimum of count VW. It's here. Count VW subtracts. I mean, it's the same count VW. There shouldn't be anything wrong. C and minus 1 minus C. Count VW subtracts. Count VW 4 minus count VW. Maybe it's this one. Is it just a VW? This one also has V. What makes it have the segmentation fault then? That was the line? Why? How is that the line that made it work? Why does this one not have it? Picture R C is equal to a dot. What? How? But it also just becomes a hash. What? What's so weird about this one? Is it R and C? I didn't input them. See picture.不然你看一下我的 code 为什么有个 segmentation font？你有看到错误吗？有个 segmentation font。
我看到了，看到错。
你已经看到一个错误了。结果特大。
它是消不出来的。Index 是消的。
This bigger. One zero one zero. Minute. What is it supposed to be? But this one. Why did these work? These are all positive? Huh. But I don't understand. Why? Why are these all positive? There should be a reason. 3. Wait, what? Here? 4. Oh. Actually, I put it. Crush. Okay, now it works. Interesting. Okay, now let's try to see if it. Okay, all of it works. Let's see if it works. All of it works.